Hello, teachers, instructors, and educators, and welcome. The infographic presented herein provides information and resources for using the Internet as an instructional tool. In particular, we will focus on the free Internet technology tools that can be used to enhance instruction in face-to-face, online, or hybrid classrooms. This presentation will highlight the information provided in the infographic. After the presentation, please scroll through the contents at a more leisurely pace, visit the sites provided through the links, and take the time to watch the video information provided. The resource will remain posted on our site for referencing as needed in the future. We have 4 free Internet technology tools that we will introduce and review. The 4 tools are 1. Course management systems, also known as learning management systems. 2. eBooks, electronic books. 3. video lectures, video lessons. And 4. WebQuest. These 4 tools have many free resources available, but we will touch on just a few to get you started and exploring. We'll begin with our first technology tool, that is course management systems. A course management system is a set of tools that enables the instructor to create online course content and to post it on the web without having to handle HTML or other programming languages. The relative advantage to a course management system is that it provides a structured learning environment that's available for content delivery, collaboration, self-paced learning, and course management. I've got 3 resources here. One is a video. What is a Google Classroom? It's a short video. We won't go through the whole thing. But feel free to go through that. It's a good introduction to a course management system. We also have an article that highlights 8 different learning management systems: Google Classroom, SuccessNet, Haiku Learning, Agilix, Schoology, Blackboard, Desire2Learn, and Moodle. And a second article is an article from somebody that uses a learning management system, and they talk about the teacher talks about what how the students feel about the learning management system, the content management system, and they provide some analytics and information and opinions. Yeah. Okay. Our second technology tool that's available to us free on the internet are ebooks. An ebook is an electronic counterpart of a printed book that can be read on any compatible computer or mobile device. Some ebooks allow notes, highlighting, and bookmarks similar to traditional paper books. The relative advantage to using an ebook to enhance education is an ebook provides a cost savings compared to traditional books, and their availability around the world on different devices provides greater availability and greater learning opportunities. One of the video provided here is about an online learning library called Overdrive.
Make reading cool with digital books. Now you can extend your library and inspire students to read and learn with the technology they love. Welcome to School Download Library from Overdrive.
So you can watch the video, and Overdrive is a learning library. It's available to libraries and to schools, and very useful program there. The next thing we have for the resources is a web article. It talks about electronic books, how they came to be, how they work, a lot of information, how to read it, and advantages or disadvantages. A lot of good information here. How to get the books, and the history of the ebook. Another article we have is Textbook in the Digital World. This is how ebooks are getting used today. Also, a lot of good information. There's a
Welcome to Discovery Education's Social Studies Textbook, a comprehensive core instructional resource that includes civics and government, United States history, world history, and world geography and cultures.
This provides an excellent example to an ebook. Take the time and look at that. Okay, so that is a good resource for ebooks to enhance learning. Our third technology tool is our video lectures, video lessons and lectures. A video lesson or lecture is a video which presents educational material for the topic to be learned. The video may include the teacher, a voiceover, photographs, text, or a mixture of different formats. The relative advantage of video lectures is that they provide a structured, self-paced learning environment. This is a relative advantage when teachers or students are not available for a particular course. Also a relative advantage when the self-pacing is important for the different type of students' needs that may be out there. The video provided here is a sample of a physical science lecture.
Okay, welcome to the physical science class. I'm Derek Owens, I'll be your instructor, and I'll start by telling you how the course works and how to use these videos and the workbook that goes along with them. You should have with you right now.
As you watch your video, you'll see that there's a recorded lecture with the teacher. There's also documents included. It has a lot of mixed format in it. There's also a link to a location called My Education Key, open access educational videos available for K-12. When you go to the site, you'll see that there's a lot of lectures and online courses that are available for you to use. Everything from elementary, middle school, high school. Just a lot of stuff to explore. It has open access for most of it, so you can borrow lectures and things like that. It's called My Education Key. The other resource we have is a 21st Century Classroom YouTube channel for teachers. Also very informative.
If you look back at a classroom in the 1950s and 60s, you see the teacher standing in front of the room lecturing to students. The students are just sitting there, writing down what the teacher is saying. The idea of the 21st century classroom flips that around to where the student is now the center of the environment. That's kind of how my classroom is set up, and video is a huge part of that.
So it's a very interesting site, and YouTube provides a lot of videos and channels for teachers that can be used to enhance instruction. So now let's go on to our fourth and final technology tool to enhance learning on this infographic. A WebQuest is an inquiry-oriented lesson format in which most or all of the information that learners work with comes from let me repeat that. A web quest is an inquiry-oriented lesson format in which most or all the information that learners work with comes from the web. It's also known as scavenger hunts for education. The relative advantage to WebQuest is that WebQuest allows students to integrate technology into the classrooms themselves. And while they're doing that, they're employing project, problem, and inquiry-based lessons. And they're probably having a lot of fun at it. There's one site, webquest.org, that has a lot of information on WebQuest. They've got definitions, instruction. They have different web quests that you can use, instructions on how to create one, information on sharing, resources galore, the research that is going on WebQuest, and I think there's some news, and I think they're going to have a research consortium there. Okay, so webquest.org. Take a look at it. I've also got an instructional tutorial link here. This is part 1. And there's links to the other parts.
Hi, and welcome to WebQuest 101. This is the first part of several movies that will teach you about what a WebQuest is, why we make them, and how to make them. To begin, I'd like to talk about what a WebQuest is.
So, there you talk about not only what it is, but how to make them. Good resource with a lot of extra lessons available to go through, or tutorials, I should say. And then here is a really cute and informational WebQuest videos from a kid's perspective. These kids are amazing. I believe they're gifted kids.
A WebQuest is an inquiry-based online learning activity. A lot of times during a WebQuest, we work in a small group and the assignment is divided and each person in the group has a different role.
During a WebQuest, most or all of the information is online. My teacher gives me a link I should go to so I don't waste time.
WebQuests usually have 7 parts. An introduction, the task, the process.
It's a bit of a long video compared to most videos, but it is very interesting and very informational. And the kids are amazing, how much they know. So take a look at that website, watch the videos, and learn about incorporating a WebQuest into your classroom to enhance technology. So there's our infographic, WebQuests, video lectures, ebooks, and course management systems. 4 free internet technology tools that you can use to enhance instruction. I hope you take the time to review the infographic and gather all the information you have and incorporate this technology into your instruction. Thank you.